In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change location in Opera browser. First, you will need to open the Opera browser on your computer. Look for the Opera icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder. Double-click it to launch the browser. Once it opens, you will see the familiar interface with a sleek design and easy navigation. This step is crucial because it sets the stage for the following actions. You need the browser open to access its settings and features. Next, click the Opera icon located in the top left corner of the window. This will open a menu with various options. From this menu, select Settings. If you are using a Windows computer, you can also press Alt and P at the same time as a shortcut to reach the settings directly. This step is important because the settings are where you will find the VPN feature. After you have opened the settings, scroll down until you reach the VPN section. The settings page might have many options, so take your time to look for the VPN area. You may notice that the VPN feature is designed to enhance your browsing privacy and security. Understanding where this section is located helps you navigate the settings more efficiently. Now it's time to toggle the Enable VPN option to the On position. You will see a switch next to the option. Simply click it to turn the VPN on. When you enable the VPN, you will enhance your online privacy and security, which is very important in today's digital world. This action will allow you to access content that may be restricted in your location. Once you have enabled the VPN, a VPN icon will appear near the URL bar at the top of the browser. Click on this icon to open more options. Within this menu, you will see an option labeled Optimal Location. Clicking on this will enable you to choose your desired virtual location. You can select from the Americas, Asia, or Europe depending on your needs. This flexibility is key because it allows you to access content and services available in different regions. After you select your preferred location, the browser will automatically connect to a server in that region. You will notice that the VPN icon may change to indicate a successful connection. This visual confirmation is reassuring because it lets you know that your online activity is now being routed through the chosen location. You are now ready to browse as if you were in that specific area. Changing your location in the Opera browser using the VPN feature is a straightforward process. Each step builds upon the previous one, ensuring you have a secure and smooth experience while browsing online. You can always revisit these steps if you need to switch locations again in the future. By following these instructions carefully, you can enhance your browsing experience and access a wider range of content. Remember, using a VPN is not just about changing your location, it also protects your data and privacy while you are online. Now you are equipped to explore the internet safely, no matter where you are. Thank you for following along.